Today we're diving into the world of high-speed luxury on rails. Yes, that's right, we're talking about the Euro train from Madrid to Barcelona. Stick around because I'm about to spill the beans on whether this train is actually worth your precious euros, or if you should just hitchhike with a friendly donkey named Paco. Alright, let's address the burning questions you've got sizzling in your travel-hungry brains. First up, is the Euro train as punctual as a Swiss watch? Second, is it roomier than your Aunt Karen's Thanksgiving pants? And finally, will Adrian ever learn how to pronounce paella correctly? Spoiler, probably not. Now, why should you listen to me, Adrian, the self-proclaimed train connoisseur? Well, I've ridden more trains than a hobo in a country song. Let's break it down with my trusty train review acronym. That's right, I made an acronym. You're welcome. Timeliness. Our journey started 10 minutes late. I know, gasp. But hold your horses because this beauty made up for the lost time like a teenager with a curfew. We arrived right on the dot. For that, I'm giving you 5 stars for timeliness. Roominess. Friends, I had more space than a cat in a mansion. Think business class on an airline, but without the risk of a toddler kicking your seat. I was so comfortable and content on the train, I began to think, hey, maybe hobo life is for me. Roominess, another 5 stars. Ambiance. This train was quieter than a librarian in a soundproof booth. Even at nearly 200 miles an hour, I barely heard a peep. Inside, it was like a serene spa, minus the cucumber slices. Ambiance gets a glorious 5 stars. Investment. I shelled out 88 euros, which translates to 96 US dollars. Sure, there are cheaper options, but Euro is the newest and shiniest toy on the track. For cost, I'm giving it 4 stars. It's a bit pricey, but hey, you get what you pay for. Neatness. This train was cleaner than a germaphobe's kitchen during flu season. Even the restrooms were spotless, and that's saying something. I walked through the entire train. It was immaculate. For neatness, 5 stars. So my overall rating for the Euro train from Madrid to Barcelona, a dazzling 4.8 stars. If this train were a student, it'd be on the honor roll, but probably still grounded for sassy backtalk. Now friends, if you enjoyed this ride, don't just sit there like a bump on a log. Smash that like button, drop a comment below with your favorite train experience, and subscribe for more travel shenanigans. And hey, if you missed my last video where I rated the Holiday Inn St. Cugat in Barcelona, click here to check it out. Until next time, friends, keep traveling, keep exploring, and most importantly, continue to be your awesome self. Adrian out.